Hi guys, from time to time you will render your video and you will notice the file size on your storage device is quite high and it's not very practical to upload or even to run. Well, here I will show you a simple method how to reduce the file size. So I have here a composition challenge motion graphics. I set it to H.264, that's the best, and it's YouTube 720p. Now in case you are rendering in 1080p HD and you have very large files, guys, think about it. Most social medias will accept 720p and the resolution is quite good and the video is quite good. 1080p is somehow an overkill, mainly for mobile devices these days. Having set it to 720p and you still want to reduce the file size, you will come over to the preset over here, you click. It's going to tell you lots of stories about dynamic linking and so on. Don't worry about it. Then it will open the export setting screen. In the export setting here, make sure that you are using H.264. The preset, make sure now that you are using 720p. If you don't have any audio, just check it out. Actually, it will not render any audio if you don't have any. And come over to video just over here. If you point inside this panel and you scroll down, here you are, you will come to bitrate settings. You most probably have, for example, VBR 2 passes. This is excellent, but the file size will be quite large. Change it to VBR 1 pass. That's the first one. Then the most important is the target bitrate. The target bitrate is 16 here, and it will affect the file size a lot. So you want to reduce it. You can take it to any figure you want except 1 or 2 or 3. You can even go down to 5. Okay, that's cool. And that's it. Reducing the target bitrate will reduce your file size by more than 50-60%. Click OK. Having set it, you can just render your video. Let me show you an example. If I click on the link, it will open the file manager. The first video here has been rendered using the 5 target bitrate. And notice the size is 3 megabyte. Of course, I'm using only motion graphics and it's 5 seconds video, so it's not much. The second one has been rendered through a target bitrate of 16. Notice the difference. With the target bitrate of 5, the file size has been reduced to more than 50%. And if you play both of them, you will notice they have identical quality. It should be pretty good. So this is the simple method to reduce your file size for your video. Thank you very much for listening. I hope it was useful. I will see you in the next lecture.